Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see about how to view the goods receipt note in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into our Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how our dashboard looks. Now, we go to the Warehouse module. Select the goods receipt note menu under the Warehouse module. Here we go to provide the details as date range and enter the required details. Then click on the submit button to view the report. Goods receipt note list will be displayed on the screen. We can download the report. Just click option menu and using the download option. Select the CSV format. This is how to view the goods receipt note list in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.